everyone. My name is Teacher Kat and welcome to English Conversation 1. Are you ready to listen? Very good. Now let's start. Our lesson for today is all about, are you hungry? Now, let's review the vocabulary words. Look at this picture. What is this? Very good. This is a banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. How about this picture? What is this? Very good. This is an orange juice. O-R-A-N-G-E-J-U-I-C-E. Orange juice. How about this picture? What is this? Very good. This is a milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. How about this picture? What is this? Very good. This is a melon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Look at this picture. What is this? Very good. This is an apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. How about this picture? What does he feel? Very good. He feels hungry. How about this picture? What does she feel? Very good. She feels sleepy. Next. How about this? What does he feel? He feels thirsty. Very good. Now, let's try this. Are you thirsty? Repeat after me. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am. Repeat after me. Yes, I am. Next, are you hungry? Repeat after me. Are you hungry? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Let's complete the dialogue. What is she saying? How are you thirsty? Very good. Are you thirsty? How about this? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Very good, students. For your worksheets, just match the following, fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, then write in the blank. That's all for today, students. Thank you for listening. Keep safe, everyone. Goodbye.